I went around and I watched the students in the classroom. I realized there was a real need for digital literacy skills. So we were able to find this program, which is the North Star program. Our digital literacy program basically is a set of modules. What you do is you come in, no matter what kind of skill level you are, we start off with basic computer skills and we move on up through basic internet, through basic email. And then we actually move into another part, which would be your Microsoft Office products like Word or Excel. Also PowerPoint. And then we move on to other apps and things that make your life really easier. So like social media, a lot of people want to know how to use Facebook, how to sign into your health app and do your appointments for your doctor. All of those things are included in our package.
I enrolled in digital literacy program because I love computers. And I know that computer is going to be a big part of the future. And so I wanted to learn as much as I can to help prepare for the future. I use Excel in some of the programs that I have learned in digital literacy. I became more aware of new skills. I learned a lot of different things. And I also use that in my daily lives, in my job.
You can say, I know nothing about computers. I don't know how to turn them on. I don't know how to use them. My phone, I don't know how to work it. That is fine. We teach you how to do all of those things. So any level is fine with us. Even if you're an expert or you're really someone who knows some things about maybe even Word or some programs like that, I find that everybody learns at least something new about something they thought they already knew. So what makes our digital literacy program special, it's a blended class. So you can have anywhere from someone who's 17 and knows all about computers because they grew up with them in their hands, to someone who has never touched a computer in their life, but really want to learn to be able to communicate maybe better with their family or take on a part-time job such as bookkeeping or something like that will add value to your life. So I feel like that is the biggest surprise. People realize how much easier it makes their life. I have a lot of students from the past that come in and say, I'm so glad I took your class because now I'm, applying for this job or I'm trying to get a small business loan. And I know how to do the paperwork because I know how to type it up myself. I'm able to talk to my grandkids because now I know how to use FaceTime.
After taking digital literacy, I've expanded my skills and my knowledge in using Excel. I use it in my spreadsheet in both of my jobs every day and workplace documents. I went into more in details of how to prepare my spreadsheet, how to check it and work each day, and how to upload it and update my information with the new students every day. I'm not really a social media person, but during digital literacy, I was exposed and learned how to interact on social media. I learned how to do different kind of social media sites. So it was very enlightening. With my new skills that I've developed in digital literacy, I was able to help aid other students that had issues and was unaware of how digital literacy worked and how to help them operate computers, different systems, telephone, and a vast number of things.
Having different age groups with various skills really allows us to build a good community and for us to be able to grow your skills even faster. And it gives you kind of a well-rounded view of what you may want to use these skills for.